Okay, so it doesn't matter what tutorial you're on. Here's how to get your game out of the tutorial and into your main menu to save it to your projects, okay? So you always got to go to the last puzzle piece before the trophy. So one back from the trophy like this. And then it should have a check mark on it. If it doesn't have a check mark and it still looks like a puzzle piece, you need to go into it and hit done on the tutorial, so it'll get a check mark and know that you're done. After you do that, here it is right here, save to my projects. So we just click this. It'll save the game as a project on your main menu, and it will now give you all the code. So you've got all the code here. You're not just stuck with the code from the tutorial, right? So now you've got sound effects you can add. Here's the sound effect thing. You've got scores you can add. Here's the score block for adding a point, and a whole lot of other stuff, right? Like all these things in scene. You've got a camera shake block. That's a cool one, and a heck of a lot more. Okay, name your game. So right here, I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna call this Clark's Space Race. Okay. And then from there, now that it's saved on your account, you want to start editing your code. Remember, everything is about events. These are event handlers, these alligator-shaped blocks. And so if I want a sound effect that happens with my projectiles firing, for instance, I would put that in here, okay? If I want a sound effect that is when I get hurt by an enemy, I would put that in here, okay? So you're just looking through your code and seeing what you want to add some stuff to or change some stuff about, right? Maybe I want to change my my bad guy speed so that they move at random speeds. So I could take this random here, which you can find in math, and put this in here. And now watch, some of my enemies are going to go really fast like that, and I'd have to dodge them like very quickly, and some of them are going to go very slow like that, okay? So you can go through and start just changing things. Really make the game yours just by changing little things. A number here, a number there, a sound effect here, a sound effect there, and all of a sudden you'll have a game that feels a lot more like yours. All right? Have fun.